Meet Mark. He wanted to play a prank on his girlfriend. So, he taught her pug Buddha a neat trick. He taught the dog to salute, like a certain historical villain. It was a joke. But Scottish police didn't see a joke. They saw a hate crime.
It is a hate crime.
They launched an investigation into the dog. They dragged Mark through court for 2 years.
You're not safe!
The verdict? Guilty. Fined £800. Be careful what you teach your pets. The government is watching.
Ha 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 ha!